Hey, what's up everybody? So, wow, it's a bright day today. Today, I'm gonna do a very quick Dremel sign video with just Dremel only. What I'm using is a cedar slab that's 2 inches thick and it's just an offcut. So I've taken a vector and I've drawn it on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna carve out the outlines, make it look like a tree, paint it black with spray paint, burn it, sand it, and then be done with it. And this is Dremel only, and this is a great way. Uncle Kevin's here. If you haven't signed up for Uncle Kevin's page, go to Uncle Kevin Carves. This is gonna be a very fast thing. So what I did is I took my program, I got Lee's Garden, and then I took a vector from, you know, the internet and did it. So right now, I've got what I need, and now I'm just gonna get a Dremel. I'm gonna be using a 4300 Dremel with saber-tooth burrs and bits, and these bits are going to be right here. Sorry, this is moving fast because I need to get this done. This is an unexpected carving. So, flame bit, and just some routering kind of Dremel bits, the bigger ones, the orange. They're saber-tooth, they're not Dremel. I'm gonna use Dremel 4300 just because it's got the power. And I'm just gonna dive in deep. You don't have to worry about how deep you go. You just gotta get it and then create the power lines. And then I'll look at the picture, make sure I get what I'm looking for, and get going. So, cue the music, let's get her going. This will be real time for everybody. It should take 15-20 minutes. This signs sell for some good money. You know, everybody has to charge different stuff for what they get for their carvings. That will be a whole nother video. And if you find these videos informative and you like them, give the video a like, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Let's go. You!
Just dig it down and use the Dremel. So you can tell I'm not really caring about how it looks on the inside because you're gonna paint it black. And I'm pulling and dragging because I'm using the burr bit to pull this way. So that's one thing you gotta think about when you're doing this kind of Dremel carving is signs, is like using the momentum of the burr so it doesn't jump on you, because these burrs will jump. And also too, I'm going a little wider, but when you sand it down afterwards with a palm sander or an angle grinder, it will shrink down. So you don't have to be as careful. Okay, so I'm gonna use the carbide bit just to tighten up some stuff, get a little bit of more lines, and then burn and sand. So just to like emphasize the treetop. Yucky. So that's pretty much it. Now I'm gonna burn it and I'm gonna paint it black. I burn it first because you can get all the fluffies off. Then you can flapper it and it's better for staining. Just need to find my torch. Get out that sawdust. There. And you can use a brush if you see some stuff, or you can use your air compressor. But Uncle Kevin is in the background and he's using my air compressor right now, so just clean out any of the fuzzies, because once you go paint and you do the paint, and if there's fuzzies and you already painted, it will show up later. So you want to get all that stuff out. I just use regular black paint. It makes no difference. Yay, here's Uncle Kev. Okay. Thanks, Uncle Kevin. Yoo! Okay, so just black spray paint. And I go crazy with it because I'm gonna use a grinder. You can use an angle grinder or you can use a flap sander, whatever works for you. Or not a flap sander, sorry. You can use an angle grinder or a palm sander. An angle grinder is gonna be way faster. And I also burn this right afterwards because it burns the spray paint and I don't have to wait for it to dry. That's kind of a little trick, I guess. Woo! Come on. Might have to do that again. That'd be a good thumbnail. Ah, whatever. Maybe the GoPro got it. So then I just burn it out. Sawdust. And I grab an angle grinder.
Hey guys, as I'm sitting here and editing this video and watching this, for all you Dremel carvers out there, I know there's a lot of you that watch this stuff. Make sure you wear a mask, because I was hacking lung up that day and it is not good. So definitely carvers out there, wear masks. I love y'all. Keep ripping it up. You.
So I just use this 4-inch angle grinder. A good little tip. Since these discs are so floppy and dangerous, I always put 2 in them. Tommy Craig showed me that about 6 years ago. Or 7 years ago now when I stayed with them. And ever since then, it's I've always had 2 of them. And I haven't had one blow up on me since. So... I normally do this with a chainsaw, but since this is Dremel only with, you know, an angle grinder, we'll do it that way. You can do it with a Dremel also. And then I'll just spray paint it and then burn it again. Where's my fire? Losing my mind trying to get this done fast. The paint is drying really nice, and you can see it looks really cool. It's very simple, and it's a great like way to just get more comfortable with your Dremel. Just looks a little empty, so I'm just adding a little touch there. Add some extra lines. I'll do one right here. You can clean up some other stuff on the side, whatever.
So, 26 minutes. That took way too long. But here you go. This is the sign. Looks good. It's solid. It's vector. It's clean. You just take thanks, Kev. You just take a Dremel and an angle grinder, some spray paint, and some fire, and you got her done. Thanks for watching, guys. Sorry about the noise Uncle Kevin's making. He's spraying down the owl, and that'll be a video too. So check out Uncle Kevin. My name's Ryan Cook, and I hope you enjoyed watching my latest Dremel video. Yeah.